Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya Kamala. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video I am going to talk about a range that is really going to change your hair care routine itself. Seriously guys, I'm very excited to film and talk about these products with you guys. I'm talking about the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens range. So in this range you get three different products like L'Oreal Paris Restoring Shampoo and Detangling Conditioner, and the finally star in a product of this range is the L'Oreal Paris Dream Length No Haircut Cream. This is the leave-in conditioner. So I'll be talking more about this product with you guys. So if you're ready, do continue watching, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Now without any further delay, let's get into the video. So firstly, let me start with my experience and what are the problems I face while coming to the hair care routine. So when I was in college and school, I had a really good length hair. So at that time my mom used to take care of my hair and I never used to worry about that. She used to oil my hair and she used to tie my hair very tightly, and once I finished my schooling and college, when I stepped out of the school and college, I did not take care of the hair, and also I was super busy. I was used to travel a lot in two-wheelers. Because of the traveling in two-wheeler, I used to get a lot of hair problems, majorly split ends. When I was driving, I never used to cover my face initially, and after once I get to know, I used to cover, but initially I had a lot of problems like the split ends, as I said. So I used to get trimming once in a month or once in 2 months. So that was a major issue, and like it was becoming a big issue for me, and I used to get trimmed every 3 months, and now it's become a habit for me to get that split ends haircut. So now I don't have to worry about that, because now I have discovered this range, the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens range. I feel very happy that I no need to cut my hair at all, because this cream, the no haircut cream from L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens, is going to change your hair care routine at all, because this is a leave-in conditioner. It actually seals your split ends. That is, seriously, I'm very happy to just imagine, like, if you don't have to go to the parlor every time and you need to cut your hair like every 3 months. You don't have to go to get your split ends cut. I feel very happy that I have discovered this range and this leave-in conditioner. Now let me talk about the packaging and how the cream works. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens No Haircut Cream. So this comes in this kind of a orange pink cap. You just need to open and take the product. So you just have a walnut size of the product to apply all over your hair, and it actually not only it's a leave-in conditioner, it actually manages your hair from damage. It actually moisturizes your hair, and actually it seals your split ends. You don't have to cut your hair. As I said, it actually saves your last 3 centimeters of your hair. So my hair takes a little bit less time to grow my hair, and while I get 3 centimeters long hair, I have to cut my hair. So now I can save my 3 centimeters of my hair. So that makes me very happy, guys. Seriously, it makes me very happy. So this product not only manages, like, it actually controls your face, controls your damaging hair. It actually makes your hair very smooth, shiny, and you don't feel any kind of greasiness or oiliness while you applied your cream. So, and smells amazingly, guys. It smells amazing. So throughout the day you can see that very nice smooth length hair. I feel very happy for that, guys. And also, guys, it helps to lengthen your hair. Like when your split ends get sealed, it actually grows faster than usual. And this leave-in conditioner not only helps in just managing it, gives you a super glossy shiny look. As you can see, I have applied this no haircut cream. As you can see, it feels very soft, very smooth, and I can see the glossiness and shine, everything. So let me show you how I use this product. I actually wash my hair with the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens Restoring Shampoo and detangling conditioner. Then with the half wet hair, so I actually tried hair dry my hair like half. I took walnut size of the product and just applied on the mid length of my hair to spread all over my hair. So this not supposed to apply on scalp, you just need to apply on your length of your hair, and it does amazing job. And also if you are styling your hair, you can, so this cream itself protects you from heat. So even with 180 of Celsius heat also you can straighten your hair. So I like to shampoo, conditioner, and then I'll massage the cream on my lens, and then I'll go with the straightening, and it gives a super glossy shiny length of the hair. And also guys, I can see a great result in the first wash itself. When I applied the cream in the first time, I can see that my dryness had reduced, the split ends have sealed, and I could able to see that nourishment throughout the day it maintains. And after the second also I can notice that a great result in my hair. And this product contains amazing ingredients like vegetal keratin, which protects your hair from harsh chemicals, and the castor oil is known to its benefit. It actually makes your hair very glossy, shiny, and healthy also. So essential vitamins helps to strengthen and restoring the restoring internally from your hair, and the castor oil helps in nourishing and gives a super shiny to your hair. All these three ingredients are really great for hair. So in past we used to do DIYs, like we used to apply castor oil, coconut oil and all. Now you don't have time to do DIY, so it's very important to make sure you nourish your hair. So now you don't have to worry about that. You just go with the L'Oreal Paris Dreamless No Haircut Cream. So this makes your hair very smooth, very shiny, and seriously the last 3 centimeters going to save and gives you super lengthy hair. So I feel this is the best range to maintain your hair. You don't have to do DIYs or trim now and then to maintain your hair. So this range itself gives you a lot of changes in your hair in regular use. So I feel a great product to include in your hair care routine, guys. So the price is also very nice. It priced out rupees 499 for 200 ml. So I feel it's a great price, and all the links of this product will be given in the description box, guys. Do check out the links, and hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. If you enjoy, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment below what is your opinion, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.